Do we have a civil war, gold war upon us, folks? That is the question right now. The Comax don't have the silver and gold. The LBMA don't seem to have it. Where's the silver and gold? Does Fort Knox have it? Prices are up today. Are we just about to see what's about to break here? We will dive into it. I'll let you guys know what's going on in the shop today. It's different every day, it seems like. What's the run today? You might see it on your screen. I'll let you guys know about that in a minute. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for subscribing. Thank you all so much for sharing these videos out. That really helps people get woken up. Thank you for giving me the thumbs up. Thank you. That really helps YouTube get the videos out even faster. If we keep doing that, we can get more information out, folks, to other people. Let's keep it going. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Let's just get into the video right now. Silver war, gold war. You guys see the prices. I don't have to tell you guys the prices every day. I'm sure most of you guys are seeing the prices go up and down a little bit. Gold is nearing another all-time high once again. We're about $23, $25 from another all-time high on gold. I just, it just boggles my mind. We keep saying that. Silver's having a nice little day today as well. I reported this morning about the 40% silver halves. They're now melting for about, the last time I checked, they were melting for 486. Up 6 cents from this morning. Stack them if you want them, stack them if you don't want to, that's fine. Don't stack them, just whatever how you want to phrase it. Look, I broke the news about South Korea this past week. About their bullion companies don't have the silver. The banks, you could used to walk into a bank in South Korea and buy silver. You can't no more, they don't have it. Everybody's scrambling for silver and gold. What's really coming down the pipeline? Why are central banks buying gold in record numbers? We have to think about that, folks. Record numbers. This is starting to be a little bit scary. Where is everything? Who's buying it all? We are helping the cause, but if we're just a small portion of the population. Here in the States, we're lucky we get a 0.5% of the U.S. population stacking silver and gold. I just want you guys to think, what's going to happen when another 2% comes on board, a 3%, 4%, maybe even 5% of the population wakes up. There's not going to be any silver left. There's not going to be any gold left. This is not a scare tactic trying to make you go buy silver and gold. This is facts. We all seen what happened. Now we go back to March of 2023. We seen what happened back in March 2023. If you think that was a little side gig, we haven't seen nothing what's coming down the pipeline yet. This is starting to get scary. Every single day it passes. And what I'm seeing a run on today at the shop, 10-ounce silver bars. Don't matter what kind. It could be generic. It could be Britannia's. It could be Royal Canadian Mint bars. They're selling today. People are buying the 10-ounce silver bars today. We did get some 5-ounce silver bars in. I reported yesterday. Those are just about gone once again. We just can't seem to keep 5-ounce silver bars. I knew they were going to sell quick. We probably got about 25 left. We probably sold about half the stock that we just brought in. That's how fast it's going out the door now again. And that's no joke. All right? Maple leafs are going out the door. Silver maple leafs. Gold maple leafs are going out the door. Not 1-ounce gold. I'm talking fractional. 10th ounce are going out the door. A lot of 10th ounce gold still going out the door, folks. I just don't know how else to say it to you. I can only tell you what I'm seeing in the shop that I work for. What a better place, though. Check out Buybacks now. They have a beautiful 10-ounce silver bar. The Frontier Mint. Check them out, folks. They're U.S. made. They're made in Utah. American made. Go check them out. They're beautiful bars. I wish I had the money to go buy one right now. I just don't have the money to do that right now. I'm trying to focus on 90% and 40% silver as well. But you know what? With the prices keep going up and up, it's really scaring the heck out of me, to put it bluntly. You know, I think once we see $35 silver, we're not looking back to 30. We might see a little bit dip under 35. We've been holding above 30 for a while. I think 30 is just about off the table, folks, at this point. Unless something really changes fast, which I don't see things going to change fast where it's going to dip back down. I just don't see that right now. Check out Pinbacks for those Frontier 10-ounce silver bars. Let them know that Coin Shop Chris sent you. Thank you, Pinbacks, for sponsoring my channel. Thank you to the viewers out there, because if it wasn't for you guys watching the videos, give me the thumbs up, commenting on the channel, I wouldn't have a sponsorship at this early stages of the game. I wouldn't. So I want to thank you guys so much for liking the videos, subscribing. Keep that going. Keep sharing the videos as well as out as best as you guys can. And let's get the word out. That's all. I'm just flabbergasted how much silver we are selling right now. Yes, we're still seeing buybacks. All right, we actually bought another $100 in face of 90% silver today. The woman said it's all been gone through. It's all in the 60s, and with silver quarters and dimes. So she said it was all in the 60s. Her husband went through it all. They wanted to dump the, they're keeping the ones from the 40s and 50s, but they needed some quick cash, and that is what they did over the weekend, and they brought that to us. So it don't matter what you get to us, we're going to buy it all. I mean, we have not stopped buying for the shop at all. We are a little bit low on the 10th ounce gold once again, so we have to reorder some more of that. And we're going to take it day by day, folks. That's where we have to take it right now. We know South Korea, like I said early in the video, what's going to happen with the Trump tariffs coming down the pipeline as well. Is that going to be all, fearmonger again? That could set in another week or two here, folks. We don't know exactly what's going to happen there. We have to wait and see what happens. I think there's a little bit of fear buying right now because of that. I'm not trying to cause fear to you guys to go buy anything. Just look at the prices. That's all I gotta say to you folks. Look at the prices. Gold ain't coming back down anytime soon, I don't believe. Silver has a long way to go. Cost average. That's the one thing I say on this channel a lot. Cost average your stack. And people think I'm crazy for saying that. Well, if some people think I'm crazy for that, that's fine. But it's no sense of buying, $1,500 all at one time when you can break it up in 3 transactions. Buy $500 today. Wait a couple days. See what the price action does. Maybe you catch a little bit of a dip on the downside. Catch that little bit of a dip. Save you a little bit of money on the backside of it. At the end of the day, I don't think it really matters. Because, when the dollar collapses, not if, when, it's going to at some point. I do believe we're going to be trading in silver and gold. And the people who have it are going to be doing quite well off, I do believe. It's happening now, folks, on a small scale. Like I've said in previous videos, get to know your local shops. I'm not talking your local grocery stores where it's chain-based name in multiple states. I'm talking about your local restaurants, your local butcher shops, your little mom and pop stores, your farmers markets. Get to know those people now. Ask them if they're willing to trade in silver now. It's all right to give up a silver dime here, a silver quarter here now. Get that relationship built up now. Because when the stuff hits the fan, it's not going to be a pretty sight. It's just not going to be a pretty sight. You'll be first in line if you build up those relationships now. A local restaurant can do the same thing. Ask. I'm not talking like your Applebee's or your Pizza Huts or your Taco Bells. I'm talking about your local restaurants you have in your local area. I'm talking about those businesses. Privately owned. Not commercially owned. Get to know the people in your area. Some people say, well, I don't want to let, this person know I got some. You don't have to let them know how much you have. You're just trying to get the connections going now. With the price of eggs, if you have a farmer near you, they sell vegetables, they sell eggs, they sell milk. Get to know these people. You're gonna win at the end of the game, even if you don't give up the silver now. Just ask them if they're willing to take it. It don't mean you gotta give it up now. Ask. Put a binder together. This person says yes. This person says no. Maybe down the road you can ask again. And if they say no, and ask them why they're saying no. Maybe they're not educated on silver and gold. Maybe help them get educated on silver and gold. Show them my channel. Show them other channels. Show them what you do. Show them that you stack a little bit. If you feel comfortable with that person, of course. If you know them already. But if they say no, we got to train, educate your kids, family members. I know it's hard. It can be done very cheaply, folks, by, 40% halves, 90% half dollar. It don't have to take a lot to get somebody, what the heck is this half dollar? Because the halves really are not circulated that much. Most people don't even see them on a daily basis. When most people see a half dollar, they're going to save it. No matter what it is, they're going to save. They think it's valuable. Well, the ones with the clad and the copper, they're not valuable. But people think they're valuable. Give them something, a real value. Give them a 40%. Give them a 90%. Tell them what the value is of the day you give it to them. The information is out there. If you folks have any questions for me, please reach out to me in my email. My email is always open. It's in the description of every single video. I wish everybody will get on board and just get the information out to your family. Write the information down where if something happens to you, you want to pass it on. Leave them your local coin shop phone number. Leave them Pinback's phone number. They buy back too. In your safes, wherever you keep your silver and gold at. That way they're not going to get ripped off. Trust a couple people, folks. Don't leave them something with no information and they don't know where to sell, because I've seen it too many times. People come in and say, I don't know what my stuff's worth. I know it's worth something, but I don't know what it's worth. And at least they're bringing it to an honest coin shop. Well, I'm not saying all coin shops would do that. Some coin shops would take advantage of that situation. Maybe a pawn shop would take advantage of the situation as well. But I do believe most coin shops out there will do the right thing. I really do that. I really do believe that. Yeah, there's a few bad ones out there. We can all, I even know a few bad ones out there throughout the states. But I'm not going to hear and mention them as knock on them. If they're, they will have their day when somebody really wakes up and say, you're ripping me off. No, most coin shops don't rip you off. They got to make money as well when you're selling back. People think coin shops rip people off. No, I just don't see that at all. They have the sell price, they have their buyback price. So with that all being said, folks, I'm going to end it here. I went on a little bit too long with this video, but this is what's going on. So we peer what's coming. Not trying to scare anybody out there, but I'm not hanging on to dollars. I'm hanging on to physical silver. Some goldbacks. I don't have any physical gold really to say of. But for me, for my stacking is silver right now. That's just me. I got nothing against gold. Nothing at all. I love gold. Just for my position, for what I spend money on, I don't need gold right now. When the ratio drops, yes, I'll trade some of the heavier weight silver for gold later on. That is my plan. I've said that before. I'll keep saying what my plan is. Our guys will keep you guys up to date what's going on in the coin shop, what's going on with other coin shops. and what the talk is out there on the streets, what we're seeing and thinking what's going to happen. Of course, nobody has a crystal ball. Again, I thank you all for watching. Coin Shop Chris is now out.